How's it going, guys? My name is Dom, and today I want to talk about using modules in the Rust programming language. So modules allows you to basically just separate your code into its own little neat and organized sections. So to define a module, you can make use of the mod or the mod keyword. So up here, I'm going to type out mod or mod followed by the name of your module. For example, decode as the module name. Then put 2 curly braces. This is your module now defined. We can start to put functions inside here by using a normal function syntax. For example, fn, and then the name of your function, for example, print message. And we're just going to simply print a message. So I'll say print line, how's it going? Just like that. So now we're going to call this function from the main function, referring to the decode module. So inside here, we're going to type out decode and then 2 colons and then print message. Right, now we can save this and we'll try to run this program. We'll clear that one, my previous attempt. Run this. And we get an error. It says function print message is private. So by default, all functions are private inside your module. So that means that this function, this main function outside of scope, can't access this print message function unless it is public. So to make it public, you just say pub to give it public visibility. So now saving this and running it, we should see that it works. Let's wait for it, and we see how's it going. Perfect. Now keep in mind that we can call private functions from a public function. For example, we can make a new function up here, fn. Let's call this function chicken, for example. Now this function is private. We haven't specified the pub keyword in front of here. This is going to print line chicken, just like that. Now obviously we can't call chicken from here because it's private. However, we can call it indirectly by using the print message function. So inside here, we're simply just going to say chicken, just like that. We can save this and run it one more time. So now we get chicken printed out because we're calling the private function from the public function. Now one more thing, we can also nest modules. So we can put a module inside a module. For example, down here, we can define a new module, giving it the public keyword so this guy can access it. So pub, public, mod, let's call this module water. We're going to do the same thing now. So we're going to say pub function. Let's just go, you know what, print message, the same name as this one. So print message, I'm going to print line, I'm water, just like that. So now inside the main function, we're going to say decode 2 colons, water, 2 colons, print message. Let's see how this goes. Clear that, run it one more time. Okay, and we see I'm water. It worked. This message is just this here is just saying we never use the chicken function. That's fine. We get the result we wanted. I'm water on the screen right there. So that's how you can use modules in the Rust programming language. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.